now? Dude, I used to order vodka, Red Bull, Jägermeister, gasoline, and deer piss in a glass and drink 13 of them. Next day, head to brunch. Liver's like, is that all you got? Get a mimosa. The things that take you down now are just pathetic. I recently slept on a pull-out couch. I almost checked into the emergency room the next day. Swear to God, I felt like somebody was stabbing me in the shoulder all day long. Gotta stretch now. Not to work out, just to exist. I make noises getting up, bending down. You should hear it in the house. It sounds like an X-rated movie in there. My wife will drop something. She's like, can you get that? I'm like, sure thing, hon. We used to go out at 10 p.m. That I actually cannot believe. Beginning the night at 10 p.m. Now, if I hear or see anybody out past 10 p.m., I automatically assume they're a criminal. Entire personality changes. In my 20s, the goal...
Listen, I remember. I remember I used to be able... When I first came here, I was in my 20s when I first moved down here. In the 90s, and I moved back. I moved here. We did a satellite office thing, and then the company, the guys finished the job and they moved back. And I was like, you know, I think I'm gonna stick around. You know. And but we were like man. Listen, we were like a frat house type deal. Like the way the company had us set up is that we all lived in the same apartment complex. We all had our own apartments, and we never lived like that before in New York. We were all across town from each other. Some of the guys lived in different boroughs, right? And so they worked with different branches, but we all came together and live in this one place for the year. This one. So it was just like, we were just like, yay, man, this is so cool. So we were going out every single weekend. And so this guy is like, he says he used to start his night at 10. That was us, you know. We used to start at 10, 11, 12 o'clock, right? And then if we're out until 5 or something, we can go to work the next day like nothing, yeah? Nah, bro. I can't live like that. I can't do that no more. Oh, man, I'm going to sleep. Oh no, we ain't doing that no more. Oh, so let me find out. Let me see him finish his little rant. Let me have him finish his rant.
Was blackout, meet strangers, wake up somewhere new. Now my goal is the couch. That's all I think about is the couch. Injuries are different. In your 20s, you got injured doing something cool. Yeah, I tore up my shoulder snowboarding. Now it's like, yeah, I got out of the car too fast. You ever realize the way you talk about your body now? You sound like a mechanic. And the lower back's really acting up these days. Left knee's pretty worn down. Definitely needs some work. No carbs after 8. It'll shut the whole system down. The shit I say now, I've become my dad. I say it all. We have food at home. I'm not paying for parking. Did you lock the door? What sucks is I don't know about you guys, but mentally, I'm still 25. I see a group of kids who are in their 20s, and I'm like, I can hang. No, you can't, unless you got a whole week of vacation days to take after. I just thought this would happen slowly, you know? But one day I just woke up and I was all excited about a new sponge that my wife put in the sink. Wow, this is firm, doesn't smell, nice. I don't even care anymore, you know? You couldn't pay me to go to a club. Do clubs even exist? Can't imagine the young people today are acting the way we acted. You know what? Good. Everybody go home, drink water, go to bed. Can you?
Oh man, that's he's funny. I like that. Oh man, I can relate.